Hello students, now we are continuing the next points of vectors, that is product of vectors. We can find product of vectors in two ways. When the result of the product is a scalar, when we get the result of product is a scalar, the product is called scalar or dot product, and if the result we get is in vector, it is called vector or cross product. Then next point is scalar product of two vectors. Definition: if we take vectors, that is any two vectors, if small a bar and small b bar are any two vectors in a space which are inclined at an angle theta, they make angle theta, we define the scalar product, that is dot product, of these vectors as a bar dot b bar is equal to ab cos theta, where small a and b are the magnitudes of a bar and b bar respectively. Then next point is properties of scalar product. Number first, small a and small b are the magnitudes of the vectors a bar and b bar. Hence, small a is greater than or equal to 0 and small b is greater than or equal to 0. Then number first, its property. If theta is an acute angle, then cos theta is a positive. In this case, if its position vector, that is small a bar and b bar, are non-zero vectors, then small ab into cos theta is a positive real number. Number second, if theta is an obtuse angle, then cos theta is negative. In this case, if a bar comma b bar are non-zero vectors, then a into b into cos theta is a negative real number. At that time, it's a obtuse angle. Third number property, if theta is a right angle, then cos theta is equal to 0. In this case, if a bar comma b bar are non-zero vectors, then a into b into cos theta is equal to 0. From this result, it is clear that if the scalar product of two non-zero vectors is 0, then they are perpendicular to each other. Then number second, when we take the product of small b bar into a bar is equal to b into a into cos theta is equal to ab cos theta is equal to, we get a bar into b bar. Thus scalar product is a commutative. At that time, scalar product obey the commutative law. Then number third property, if we take any two position vectors, that is small a bar and small b bar are perpendicular to each other, then the angle theta is equal to 90 degree. Therefore, we take its dot product, that is a bar dot b bar is equal to ab into cos 90 degree is equal to 0. When we take its opposite, that is conversely, a bar dot b bar is equal to 0 gives ab into cos theta is equal to 0. Therefore, a bar is equal to 0 or value of b bar is equal to 0, or a bar and b bar are perpendicular to each other. At that time, its dot product is cos 90 degree, that is 0. Number 4 point, if a bar and b bar are parallel, then theta is equal to 0. Therefore, a bar dot b bar is equal to ab cos theta is equal to ab. In particular, a bar dot a bar is equal to a square. A square can also be written as modulation of a bar square. If a bar is unit vector, then modulation of a bar is equal to a is equal to 1. Therefore, a bar dot a bar is equal to 1 when a bar is a unit vector. Number 5 position, consider the basic vectors, that is, we know that I cap, comma j cap, comma k cap, they are unit vectors and are mutually perpendicular as they are along OX axis, OY axis and origin to Z axis. Therefore, we take its self multiplication, that is I cap dot I cap is equal to j cap dot j cap is equal to k cap dot k cap. When we take its self multiplication, we get its value is equal to 1. Then we take multiplication of I cap dot j cap is equal to j cap dot I cap is equal to 0, and j cap dot k cap is equal to k cap dot j cap is equal to also 0, and when we take k cap dot I cap is equal to I cap dot k cap is equal to 0. Okay, we will stop here.